Hmm.
Good morning, students. Welcome in third standard. So, from today we will start our maths syllabus. Maths is very interesting subject. So, you have to take your pencil, your textbook, and now see what I am going to tell you. So, open your textbook, page number 1. From today, we will start our lesson number 1, numbers up to 9999. In standard 2nd, you have learned up to 1000 numbers. So, this lesson is very simple and very interesting. So, now take your pencil and see in your page number 1. Now see, the first exercise, very simple it is. See a question. What is a question? Write the following numbers in words. So numbers are given and you have to write in words. You have to write the spelling, correct spelling of that number. Now see, first already given, which is this number 54. So you have to write down spelling of 54. While writing the spelling, you write down it very properly. Now, second question is 289. So you have to write down correct spelling of 289. So see now, correct spelling you have to write down correct spelling of 100, 289. That you have to write with your pencil. Don't make any kind of spelling mistakes. Now see question number 3, 888. So you write down correct spelling of 888. While writing the spelling, you should be careful. Now, fourth question is 920. Now, see, fourth question is 920. So, write down spelling of 920. So, very simple question. Now, see, B question. What is given in this B question? Write the following numbers in figures. So spelling is given and you have to write the numbers. Very simple it is. See, first question 19. So write down here 1919. Second 120. So just write down number 120. Very simple it is 120. What is third question? 503. So very carefully you have to write down 503. So while writing you should remember this 0, 503. Then number fourth question is 985. So you write down 985. Very carefully you have to write down 985. So very simple questions. All these questions are. Now question number C. What is question number C? Write each of the following numbers in standard form. What is given here? 4 hundreds, 5 tens, 3 ones. So you have to write down these numbers in standard form. Means what you will write? First answer is already given there. See now. hundreds, 5 tens. 4 hundreds, 5 tens, and 3 ones. Now you have to write down these in the standard form. So 4 hundreds, 400, you write down just here 4, then 5 tens, 5 tens, you write down here 5, then 3 ones, 3 ones, you write down here 3, 453. See now, 400. Now, how will you solve this? 4 multiplied by 100. 100 multiplied. Question number C. Write each of the following numbers in standard form. So what is given here? See now, first question. 400, 5 tens, 3 ones. Now, how we can write this all in standard form? 400. 4 multiplied by 100 equal to what? 400. 5 tens. 5 tens means 5 multiplied by 10. 10 multiplied by 5. 10 5s are 50. 3 ones. 3 ones means 3 multiplied by 1. 3 ones are 3. And suppose if we add this number, what is the addition of all this? 3 plus 0, 3. 5 plus 0, 5. And this 4 as it is. So this is our answer, 453. So in this way you have to solve all these questions. Second, what is second given here? 300s, 0 tens, comma, 9 ones. So be careful about this question. 3 hundreds, no problem about this. 3 multiplied by 100 equal to what? 100 multiplied by 3 equal to 300. Now what is given here? 0 tens. 0 multiplied by 10 equal to 0. Any number multiplied by 0, answer will be 0. So write down here 0. 10, 9 multiplied by 1. 9 ones are 9. Now add all these three numbers. 9 plus 0, 9. This 0 as it is. This 3 as it is. So answer of this question is 309. Now see third question. 700, 0 tens, 3 ones. Now see 700 means 7 multiplied by 100 equal to what? 700. Then again 0 multiplied by 10 equal to 10 multiplied by 0 or any number, answer will be 0. And 3 ones. 3 multiplied by 1, 3 ones are 3. So 3, suppose we add all this number, 0. Now see third question, 700s, 0 tens, 3 ones. Now see 700 means what? 7 multiplied by 100 equal to 700. 0 tens means 0 multiplied by 10 equal to 0. 3 ones means 3 multiplied by 1 equal to 3. Now add all these numbers. 3 plus 0, 3. 0 plus 0, 0. And this 7 as it is. Now see fourth question. 200s, 5 tens, 0 ones. Now see 200 means 2 multiplied by 100 equal to 200. Then what is given? 5 tens. 5 multiplied by 10 equal to 10 multiplied by 5, 50. Then what is given? 0 ones means 0 multiplied by 1, answer will be 0. Any number multiplied by 0, answer is 0. So plus, you have to plus all these numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 as it is. So answer of this is 250. Now read this D question. What is given? Observe the pattern and fill in the blanks. Now pattern is given here. So you have to, whether you have to plus all these numbers or you have to minus, and you have to identify which series is going on. Is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 or plus minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 in this way. Now see what is given: 15, 13, 11. Now see 15, which number, if we subtract from 15, then we will get the answer 13, 2. So 15 minus 2, see 15 minus 2 equal to 30. 15 minus 2 equal to 30. Then what is given here? Which number is given here? 11. And then see, suppose 13 minus 2, what is the answer? 3 minus 2, 1. This one as it is. Means minus 2 is our series. Now see, 11. Now 11 minus 2, how much? See, 11 minus 2, that we have to solve. 1 minus 2, that is not possible. So write down here 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the answer? 9. That is already given. And then again, what is given here? 7. So 9 minus 2. What is the answer? 7. Okay. And what is given here? 5. Suppose 7 minus 2 equal to how much? 7 minus 2 equal to 5. So this series was minus 2 series. Now see question number 2. What is given here? 105, 108, 111. So which number, if we add in this 105, then we will get answer 108. So see, if we add plus 3 in this 105 number, see now, 105 plus 3, what is the answer? We will see now. 5 plus 3, 8. This 0 as it is. This one as it is. Okay. Now you can see here 108. Suppose we add plus 3 in this number. So what is the answer? 8 plus 3, 11. Carry here 1. 1 plus 0, 1. And this one as it is. So 111. So we have to find out next 3 numbers. Okay. So 111 plus 3. So we have to do here 3 plus 1, 4. This one as it is, this one as it is. So what is the answer? 140. Again, we have to find out these two numbers. Then again add plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. This one as it is, this one as it is. So what is the number? 107. And we have to find out again one more number. So plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10. Carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, and this one as it is. So what is the number? 120. So this series was plus 3 series. Now see third question. What is given in this third question? 169, 179, 189. So which number, if we add in this 169, we will get answer 179. If we add here plus 10, what is the answer? 9 plus 0, 9. 6 plus 1, 7. This one as is. Means our series is of plus 10. Again plus 10, we have to do here plus 10. 9 plus 0, 9. 7 plus 1, 8. This one as is. Okay. So we have to find out 1, 2, 3, 3. Fill in the blanks. So we have to add plus 10 here also. 9 plus. Yes. Now see, third question is 169, 179, 189. So which number if we add in this 169, then we will get answer 170. Suppose see 169 plus 10. 9 plus 0, 9, 6 plus 1, 7 and this one as it is. So 179. So this series is of plus 10. Again now add plus 10 in this number. 9 plus 0, 9, 7 plus 1, 8, this one as it is. So our series is correct. Now we have to find out these three fill in the blanks. So add plus 10 in this number. 9 plus 0, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 1 as it is. So write down here 199. Now again plus 10. Again add 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So write down here 209. So 209 plus 10. 9 plus 0, 9, 1 plus 0, 1 and these two as it is. So in this way our answer is like this. Number 4, 110, 210 and 310. So which sequence here we can see very clearly plus 100. 110 plus 100. So what is the answer? 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 210. That means our series is plus 100. Again add plus 100 in this number. 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 310. Now we have to find out these three fill in the blanks. Again plus 100. 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So write down this number here, 410. Again plus 100. Again 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So write down 510 here. Again 510 plus 100. 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So write down this 610. So these are our answers. Now see key question. Write the first question is greatest 2-digit number. Very simple it is. Greatest 2-digit number. You write down there 99. Then second question is smallest 2-digit number. Very simple. Smallest 2-digit number is 10. So write down there 10. Smallest 3-digit number. Very simple. You write down here 100. 100. And last one, greatest 3-digit number, that is 999. Very simple. Write down in your textbook.